I bought this week from homedepot.com. This is the 18 volt brushless 4-mode 1/2 inch high torque impact wrench kit. So I bought this because it's $199 right now, online only. I think it said online exclusive. It's like a Black Friday deal. I do already have the 1/2 inch impact wrench, but it is not the high torque. It's what they're now calling the mid torque. But when I bought it, it was just called the 1/2 inch impact wrench because that's what they had. So I found the limitations of my 1/2 inch impact wrench when I started using it to work on my bulldozer or trying to take the wheels off my dump truck, things like that. It can't do it, just doesn't have the power to break those bolts loose. This one though, at 1,300 foot-pounds, will definitely have enough power to take the lug nuts off of my dump truck or any of my big heavy duty equipment. So enough talking, let me show you what came with this kit. I will put a link down in the description because like I said, this is an online only deal. First off, you're gonna get the pretty little case like this. This is exactly what comes out of the box. The case slides out. There is packaging on the inside, but I've already taken the packaging out. I have not used this yet though. Manuals are all in the little mesh pocket that's here. This is the 1/2 inch impact. It's very good size. This is the 4 amp hour max output battery. You get your standard, portable charger. It's the slow charge, but it works fine. And then you get this monster. And when I say monster, it's because let's compare it to the one I have right now. So here you go. This is the one that I've had and used a lot. I take care of my tools so they're not beaten up too bad, but this thing has gotten a lot of use. It is a lot smaller. It's kind of hard to tell in the video, but I mean, this weighs half the weight of this thing. This is very heavy, and this is still pretty heavy, but not nearly as heavy as this one is. Build quality wise and everything, they look good. I do like the fact that, they're going with just kind of these metal casings. I really can't stand this rubber, coating that they put on a lot of the tools back in the day, because I have, especially my 1/4 impact that I've had a long time, it's just peeling off, and unless you're wearing gloves, it really starts to become a headache. This one though, of course, it looks like they've minimized it. They just put it on the grip, just put it on the name, and that's about it. The rest of it's all metal, or plastic. This mid-impact one has these LED lights right here. This one does not look like it has any LEDs in it. So I don't know if that really matters. Never mind, it has an LED right here. So they just moved it down here. So it does have an LED. This one does have a mode selector, 1, 2, 3, and A. This one doesn't have a digital mode selector, but it has this selector up here. And I've used some of the different modes, but I usually just leave it on 3. Again, this still goes strong. I still love this 1/2 inch impact, but it's just doesn't have the power that I need sometimes for the bigger bolts and heavier duty equipment. I'm really hoping this is gonna have it. So I'm gonna go out and try on one of my heavy duty trucks. It has a 1/2 inch lug nuts on it. So I got a 1/2 here. This is a 3/4 inch drive. So I put an adapter to go down to a 1/4 inch drive. We are gonna try this against it with the high output battery. And then we're gonna try this against it with a high output battery. We're gonna see just how much that extra power really is. So this is my pulling rig. As you can see, it has military tires on it. And again, 1/2 inch is the size of the lug nut. So I'm gonna try my regular old 1/2 inch that I've had for years. This one again would be the mid torque impact wrench now. We're gonna go ahead and try it and see if I can get that lug nut off with this. I can sit here all day with this thing. It is not gonna break loose that lug nut. But this one should be able to handle it with no problem. I mean, look at that. That wasn't even much work. What setting was it on? No, it looks like it was on 3. You can press this to go to different settings. I usually run them on 3. That's just the highest power, so. All right, now I get to put it back on. Good to go. Great tool. I'm really happy that they have this. I just got the new impact wrench yesterday when it was delivered, so I tried to make this video as soon as possible. So Check out the link down below and get on that site and get it as quick as you can, because I know it's going to go away soon. Or they might be out of stock. Who knows? Hope all this information was helpful. Thank you very much for watching. Y'all take care.